Creating a gift card and sending it to a customer on Shopify is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the marketing section, where you will find the gift cards option. Click on gift cards and then click on create gift card. Here, you will be required to fill in the details of the gift card, including the amount, recipient's name and email address, and a message if desired. You can also choose the delivery method, either immediately or on a specific date. Once you have filled in the details, click on Create Gift Card. The gift card will be created and sent to the recipient's email address. The recipient will receive an email with the gift card code and a link to redeem it on your Shopify store. It is essential to note that gift cards can only be redeemed online and not in physical stores, unless you have a point-of-sale system integrated with your Shopify store. Also, ensure that you have the gift card feature enabled on your Shopify plan, as it is not available on all plans. To send a gift card to a customer, you can also use the order section in your Shopify admin panel. When creating an order, you can add a gift card as a product and fill in the recipient's details. This method is useful when you want to send a gift card as part of an order. Best practices for creating and sending gift cards on Shopify include setting a specific amount for the gift card, adding a personal message to make it more special, and testing the gift card feature to ensure it is working correctly. Additionally, you can customize the gift card email template to match your brand's theme and design. By following these steps and best practices, you can create and send gift cards to your customers on Shopify, providing them with a convenient and flexible way to make purchases on your online store. This feature can help increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, ultimately driving sales and revenue for your business.